Hello tutor, my name is Yisseimis Paternina Acosta and this is my EVA Sounds video. First, vowels. E, as in eat. E, as in it. E, as in pen. A, as in hat. A, as in car. A, as in hat. O, as in short. U, as in foot. U, as in food. A, as in sun. E, as in bird. E, as in over. Diphthongs. A, as in face. I, as in by. Oi, as in boy. Ow, as in how. L, as in no. Ear, as in near. Hair, as in hair. Or, as in tour. Consonants, as in think. As in there. As in very. As in right. As in show. As in vision. As in chair. As in job. As in sing. As in cut. Tongue twister. The very shiny challenge. The thin thief thought the velvet vase was valuable. She surely shouted, John's huge jellyfish is jumping. The chef chose to change the shining ring's shape. He heard a humming song hanging high.